there. My name is Vruti and I am on the finance team member. And a fun fact about me is that I have ticked off one thing off my bucket list, which is swimming with dolphins.
Namaste, I'm Shivali. I'm on the events team, and this year I visited the Great Wall of China. My team basically does all the logistics, the planning, everything to do with the foundations of any event. So we sort out the timetables and who's doing what on the day.
As a finance team, we guide chapters when it comes to sponsorships, sponsor packages, income generation, how they can do some fundraising on their campus, and also create budgets as well. My role in 3 words would be a little bit number crunching, logical, and networking with students.
Logical, important, and inclusive. My best experience on NatCom so far is getting to know everyone on NatCom. That's been throughout all the events and any kind of meetings or interactions we've had. Just like each and every single person has their own individual positive traits that we can all learn from each other from.
Highlight of the year for me has been the Hindu Experience Student Edition. It's allowed me to network with people but also work with NHSF on a bigger scale.
You should join NatCom if you want to be part of a bigger family and learn lots of new things and have fun at the same time.
You gain more skills, network with various people, but it's also just a great experience and you get to be a part of a big Barivar.